How to buy Dash on Binance app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Dash on Binance app in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Binance app, as you can see right here, and this is the home page. Now you have to go down and you will find the Dash here, as you can see. And if you want to buy it, you should go to this yellow option down below here and click on it, then choose buy crypto with your local currency. And now you will find it here. If you didn't find it here like me, you should write the name of it right here, and here is it, as you can see, Dash. Click on it, and now we should click buy USDT. Now choose the amount of money that you want to invest on this crypto, like 100, and click buy now here. If you are logged into your account, you will find buy now right here, and you click on it and everything will be done.